Welcome back, crew. Last time, we opened the window to the cosmos. Today, we take our first step. And our journey begins not in the distant stars, but right here, at home. Because to understand the universe, we must first understand our place in it. This is our world. Seen from space, we don't see borders or cities. We see a planet. A swirling, dynamic marble of blue, white, and green. The word planet comes from an ancient Greek word meaning wanderer. And that's exactly what Earth is, a magnificent wanderer, spinning and sailing through the ocean of space on a precise, annual voyage around our sun. But a wanderer is never truly alone. Meet our constant companion. Our shadow. Our moon. It is not a star. It is not a planet. It is a satellite, a natural object locked in a permanent dance around Earth. This dance is governed by an invisible force we all feel but cannot see, gravity. Think of gravity as an invisible tether, a cosmic embrace. Earth's gravity pulls on the moon, keeping it from drifting away. But the moon also pulls back on Earth. This tug-of-war has profound consequences. The moon's pull is strong enough to reach across nearly 400,000 kilometers of emptiness and grasp the very oceans of our world. This is the tide. The rhythmic rise and fall of the sea is not magic, it is celestial mechanics. It is the moon, literally lifting billions of tons of water as it passes overhead. Without our moon, our shores would be still, silent places. Its gravity is the conductor of our oceanic rhythms. But the moon's greatest gift might be stability. Earth spins like a top. And like a top, it could wobble. A wobbly spin means a chaotic climate, scorching heat and ice ages swinging wildly. Our large moon, with its steadying gravitational hand, acts as a stabilizer. It keeps our planet's tilt gentle and consistent. This consistent tilt gives us something predictable. It gives us seasons. So, when you feel the warm sun of July or crunch through October leaves, remember, the gentle predictability of that cycle is guarded, in part, by our silent, grey companion in the sky. The moon is not just a rock. It is the keeper of our rhythms, the stabilizer of our world, the sculptor of our tides. From this perspective, we see the truth. We don't live on Earth, isolated from the cosmos. We live within a system, a beautiful, balanced, and dynamic duo. The blue marble and its shadow. One vibrant with life, the other silent and austere. Yet together, they are the fundamental unit of our human experience in this universe. Intimate. Directly addressing the viewer ***. And so, crew, here is your first wit question to carry with you. It's not about a fact, but an imagination. If the moon suddenly vanished, what is the first thing on Earth, in your own daily life or in the natural world, that you would notice changing, and why? Ponder that. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's begin this conversation. Next time, we will turn our gaze from the gentle moon to the magnificent, furious engine that makes all of this possible, our sun. Until then, keep looking up,